Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view or check your screen time usage on your Android phone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel or just another Android OS device, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your home screen and just swipe up and then select the settings button. Underneath settings, you want to select the apps button. And then under general, you want to select the screen time button. You can see what our screen time is just for today as well without even clicking on it. But if you do decide to click on it, you can then see how much the app usage for today was by clicking the little drop down at the top. You can select the screen time, notifications received, or the times open. And by clicking the little arrow on the left side here, you can adjust and see what the usage for every day was as well as what apps you were using, and then even what sites you visited too. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, on how to do it. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.